Hello everyone. Today we have this question. The costs of equities of type A and type B in dollars are two different positive integers. If four equities of type A and five equities of type B together cost $27, what is the total cost of two equities of type A and three equities of type B in dollars? So options are given: $15, $24, $35, $42, and $55. So let's start the solution of this question. So according to this question, this condition is given for equities of type A and five equities of type B equal to 27. So as you know, and as I have explained earlier, when AND is come, so AND means in mathematics positive. So four equities of type A plus five equities of type B, therefore we will introduce plus over here, which makes $27. So now let's say these equities of type A equal to M. So we can write this as 4M, and equities of type B, so it is equal to N. So this will become 5N. So the equation will become 4M plus 5N equal to 27. And since Mn are positive integers, and this is also given in the question. Now let's say we put 4M equal to P and 5N equal to Q, such that P is multiple of 4. Why? P must be multiple of 4 because 4 equities, and Q must be multiple of 5 because 5 equities. So our equation will become P plus Q equal to 27. Remember that P is equal to 4M and Q is equal to 5N. Now we can write this equation as P equal to 27 minus Q. So we have this equation now, and let's test for some values. We will put some values of Q to get P, but remember the condition. We will put Q in a multiple of 5, and we need a value which be in multiple of 4. So Q must be multiple of 5 and P must be multiple of 4. If we have this value, so this value, that value will be satisfied. So let's put Q equal to 5. So after putting Q equal to 5, so this equation will become 27 minus 5, which is equal to 22. So 22 is not multiple of 4 for the value of P. Therefore, this value is rejected. Now we will put Q equal to 10. Why? Because we will put Q in such a manner that it must be a multiple of 5. So 5 is a multiple of 5. Now the second multiple of 5 is 10. Therefore, we will put Q equal to 10. So when we put Q equal to 10 over here, so the equation become P equal to 27 minus 10 equal to 17. Again, 17 is not multiple of 4, therefore it is rejected. And now we will put Q equal to 15. So when we put Q equal to 15, so let's put over here, this will become 27 minus 15, which is equal to 12. Now this 12 is multiple of 4, and which is our required value for P. So this condition is accepted. So it means that we have Q equal to 15 and P equal to 12, which is accepted. Please remember, if you are very good in mathematics, so if you can do this calculation in your mind, you can directly put Q equal to 15 over here to get a multiple of 4 for this value of P. So I mean to say, you can put Q equal to 15 directly in this equation, and no need for putting these values. But for clarification purpose, I have put all these values over here. So moreover, finally, we have P values of P and Q. So this was our supposition P equal to 4M, which will become M equal to P divided by 4 if we divide 4 on both sides of the equation. So this M equal to P divided by 4. And now we will put value of P, which is equal to 12. So finally we have M equal to 3. And similarly, we will do the calculation for finding out N. So we have Q equal to 5N, which was our initial supposition. And now from this equation n equal to q divided by 5, and we will put the value of q, which is 15 divided by 5 equal to 3. So it means that we have now the values of m and n, and this was our given condition in the question. Now we can put these values m equal to 3 and n equal to 3. So this will become 12 and this will become 15. So 12 plus 15 equal to 27. It means that this condition is satisfied, but this is not our required values, and we have something required in question, something else required in question, and our requirement in the question: what is the total cost of two equities of type A and three equities of type B in dollars? So this is our requirement according to question. So now we can calculate these values, that is 2m, two equities of type A, so this will become 2m, and three equities of type B, this will become 3n, and now we will put a value of m and n over here. So this will become 6 and this will become 9. So 9 plus 6 equal to $15. So our final answer is $15. This was our given question, and what is the total cost of two equities of type A and three equities of type B in dollars? So we have calculated this value step by step. So 15 is our final answer. This is the answer of this question. I hope you will have understand the solution of this question. Moreover, if you have any kind of question, you can ask me in comment section. Thank you for watching. Goodbye. Tata.